G'day cocktail lovers. This is a somewhat obscure independent soft drink in Australia called Corley beer. And when I say somewhat obscure, I'd never heard of it. I can't actually get it locally. In a recent video I made a passion fruit syrup out of a passion fruit soft drink made by the same maker, and that was fun. And my friend Charlie, who lives in Perth, it's the other side of the country to me, went, "Hey, have you tried Corley beer?" I said, "Not only have I not tried it, never heard of it, can't get it." So he sent me some. I did some taste testing and it's falling more into the sort of root beer or even sarsaparilla territory more than it is like Coke or Pepsi. So I think they're trying to do like an older style classic cola, not the more modern styles. Although it's called Corley beer, it's not brewed like ginger beer. It's a bit more like root beer, as I said. So I did a taste test, liked it, and thought I want to find a cocktail that it would suit. And I looked up a few recipes for cocktails that said, you know, top it with a soda. Some were Coke, some were root beer. This was supposed to be topped with a cherry soda, but I thought this sounded like it would go well with the Corley beer. And I'm going to taste test it now to see if it does. And that is some really interesting flavors. It isn't simply like doing whiskey and cola, because it does have a whiskey base in here. It's got a whole bunch going on. I'll take you through the ingredients. The base is rye whiskey, and I'm using a local whiskey from the Gospel Distillery. This is 90 proof, they're straight rye whiskey. It is really nice and works well in this. Throwing a bit of spin on the flavors, it has both yellow chartreuse and fernet branca in here, and these are the things that sold me on it. It's not just whiskey and cola, it's got some genuinely interesting flavors in there. It has a lime juice as well. Those are all the ingredients, and like I said, it comes together quite well. I'll show you how to make it. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of rye whiskey, then half an ounce or 15 mils of yellow chartreuse, then just around a bar spoon or 5 mils of fernet branca. Then we're adding half an ounce or 15 mils of lime juice. Add ice to the shaker, shake that for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. And then I'm getting a tall glass with fresh ice and pouring that drink straight into the glass. I just realized I didn't garnish it. I think I spritzed some citrus oil in there and dropped the peel in there. I think that's a nice little touch in there, get a little waft of citrus as I drink it. But this is quite nice. Like I said, it's quite a bit more complex than, you know, a Jack and Coke, while still just being a nice refreshing drink. It's late summer here as I make that. It's probably late spring in the Northern Hemisphere when this video goes live. So this could be a very timely drink for you, depending where you are in the world, depending where you watch this. But wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I do hope you're looking after yourself. And I hope you'll come back again and see me for some more cocktail recipes. Until I do see you again, I will